Welcome back, friends. In today's video is a quick clean of my front-loading washing machine ring. It's gotten all dirty with mildew and bacteria from my clothes sitting in the washing machine too long. So I'm gonna turn this ring into this ring, only using bleach, baking soda, and the sanitizing setting on my washing machine. Now let's get started. Okay, friends, let's see what our end result looks like. Looks pretty good. You will be amazed at what a little bleach and baking soda will do. Well, thank you so much, friends, for watching. Until next time.